Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here for ntmarkets.com with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so the bulls gave it up. They tried to do 1650. They couldn't get it done. It was a slow trade into Bernanke, but the reality is that once the Fed news was out, and after we had initially bounced off of 38, when the press conference started, it became readily apparent that we were not going to make it back through 46. When we weren't able to make it back through 46, the market rolled over and really didn't stop. And we made it all the way back down to just above, barely above, the lower Bollinger Band. And this confirms a few things that we've been talking about. The playing field is from the middle band to the lower band. We've been talking about that for 2 weeks. The bulls are not able to keep up the kind of momentum that they have been able to keep up for the last year. They've now failed above the middle band on 3 occasions. So, it's still sell rallies mode. That said, we've gone from 1649 to 1605 in less than 24 hours. So I would expect a bounce. We've already bounced 6 handles. I would expect more of a bounce. We have a double pivot area up at 1623, which is a decent target, and overshoot potential there is 1627. But ultimately, the bears are in a very good position to take the market lower. I think certainly coming down as low as the 1605 level without going down to test 1696, 1596, 1597 is pretty unlikely. So that while we get a bounce, I think that bounce gets sold and we go down to test this low. And we talked about this the other day. If we get back to 96, 97, the bears have got to push through it. They cannot fail there a third time. They can't fail there a third time because at that point it becomes a floor. And once the dip buyers have a floor to work with, then you're going to see higher prices. So for me, the inability to hold the middle band is a tell. We're not going to go straight down. I would expect a bounce and then a return to 1596, 1597, and that's going to be high noon with regard to who controls the next intermediate portion of the market. So everybody have a great day. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com. Check out the website. Check out the chat room. Hope to see everybody over there. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.